Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good evening. Today we will get into the chapter 4, which is about market equilibrium ataupun keseimbangan pasaran. Okay, these are the definition for market equilibrium, which is a place whereby both buyer and seller interact to determine the equilibrium price and quantity of the good and services exchanged. A market equilibrium is the situation when the quantity demanded and supply and quantity supply are equal. There is no tendency for price and or quantity change, which bermaksud keseimbangan pasaran akan dicapai apabila kuantiti yang diminta tu adalah kita sebagai consumer lah, adalah sama dengan kuantiti supply. Siapa yang akan supply kuantiti? Firma ataupun syarikat lah akan supplykan kuantiti adalah sama di mana perkara itu akan menyebabkan tidak berlaku perubahan dari segi harga dan juga kuantiti. Okay, next, these are the determinant of equilibrium for price and the equilibrium from the quantity. These are the table, okay? From this table, you can see that the market equilibrium has been achieved in the price of 3 ringgit, where the quantity supply and the quantity demand unit for both things are the same, okay? Keseimbangan pasaran telah dicapai pada tingkat harga 3 ringgit di mana kuantiti supply dan juga kuantiti demand adalah sama pada unit yang ke-6. Okay? The market equilibrium is achieved when the QD is equal to the QS. Alright, next. Okay, these are the graph for the equilibrium for price and the quantity. Okay, from this graph we can see there is a two situation, which is surplus and also shortage. Okay, surplus situation could be happen when quantity demand is lesser than the quantity supply. So the outcome of this situation, it's due to the decrease of the price. Okay, apabila terdapat surplus ataupun pertambahan dalam pasaran akan menyebabkan harga menurun. Okay, next, shortage. Shortage pula akan berlaku when the quantity demand is more than quantity supply. So this situation will be due to the increase in the price. Okay, these are the situation. Okay, next, shortage. Okay, shortage. These are the shortage. Okay, shortage is happen when QD is more than QS. Okay, at the price of 2 ringgit, the buyer are willing to buy 8 units of pen, but the seller is willing to sell only 4 units. Okay, there is a shortage of 4 units. Okay, kita tengok balik jadual. Okay, pada tingkat harga 2 ringgit, kuantiti demand adalah sebanyak 8 unit. Siapa yang demand? Kita sebagai consumer, kita akan demand. Okay, tapi syarikat ataupun firma hanya mampu supply 4 unit saja. Okey, berapa perbezaan antara dua ni? Okey, 8 tolak 4 berapa bersamaan dengan 4 unit? There is a shortage of the 4 units. Okey, this condition arise when the price is below the equilibrium price. Okey, awak tengok pada tingkat harga yang ke berapa tadi? Pada tingkat harga yang kedua. Okey, awak tengok tingkat harga kedua, bawah market equilibrium. Okey, dekat sini. Alright. Okay, sama juga pada tingkat harga RM1, kita demand sebanyak 10 unit, tapi company ataupun firma hanya mampu supply sebanyak 2 unit saja. Okay, perbezaan adalah sebanyak 8 unit. Okay, pengurangan adalah sebanyak 8 unit. Okay, therefore this thing, in conclusion lah, this thing, the shortage is happen when QDD ataupun quantity demand is more than quantity supply. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, next situation is surplus. Okay, surplus is happen when quantity supply is more than quantity demand. Okay, kita tengok graf balik. Surplus, quantity demand. Okay, tadi Okay, quantity demand is lesser than quantity supply ataupun quantity supply is more than quantity demand. Okay, tengok supply is more than demand. Okay, at USD $5, the seller are willing to sell about 8 units of pen, but the buyer is willing to buy about 4 units of pens. Okay, bermaksud the seller adalah firma mampu untuk menjual sebanyak 8 unit, tapi kita sebagai consumer hanya mampu membeli sebanyak 4 unit sahaja. Okay, there is a surplus of 4 units of pen. Okay, kita tengok balik dekat graf, kat jadual, sorry. Okay, tengok. Pada tingkat harga RM5, okay, kita hanya demand sebanyak 2 pen sahaja, tetapi firma ataupun company mampu memekalkan sebanyak 10 pen. Okay, dekat situ adalah pertambahan sebanyak 8 pen, iaitu 10 tolak 2 adalah tambahan sebanyak 8 pen. Okay, situasi ini berlaku, this condition arise when the price is above the equivalent price. Okay, awak tengok pada tingkat harga yang ke RM5. Okay, dekat sini. Somewhere around here. Okay, equivalent kat sini. So, ada berlaku pertambahan. Okay, surplus kat sini. Okay, surplus of 8 units at a price level of 5. There is a surplus of 4 units of pen when there is a price when the price level is 4. Okay, surplus happen when QD or quantity demand is lesser than quantity supply. Okay, senang je. So that is about equilibrium of price and equilibrium of quantity. Okay, next. Okay, yang ni adalah contoh latihan kerja. These are the example of exercise for equilibrium for price and also equilibrium for supply. Sorry, for equilibrium for demand and also supply. Alright. Okay, these are the equation. The equation for quantity demand is about 150 minus 3p, and the equation for the quantity supply is about 10 plus with 4p. Okay, so these are the formula, which is QS is equal to the QD. So these are the equation for the QS, and this is equation for the QD. So you need to firstly you need to separate the number with a coefficient, the number with the non-coefficient. Okay, the number with the coefficient, which is 3p's and also 4p's, equal to the 150 minus 10. Okay, ni awak tahu kan? So kalau kat sini minus, kalau tukar sini dia akan jadi plus, kalau kat sini plus, tukar sini jadi minus. These are the simple mathematics lah. Okay, so 3p plus 4p will become 7p equal to the 140. Why 140? 150 minus with 10, then the p, price, ataupun harga keseimbangan pasaran dapat harga keseimbangan pasaran dapat dicapai pada harga RM20. Why RM20? 140 divide by 7. Okay, ini kita dah cari harga keseimbangan pasaran pada tingkat harga yang ke-20. Okay, kita kena cari quantity for, now we have to find the equivalent for quantity divided and the equivalent for supply, for the supply lah, quantity for the supply. Okay, so ambil balik persamaan tadi, the equation for the demand, just substitute with the 20y20, because just now we get p is RM20, so we just substitute here. So when you substitute the answer, you will get 90. Same also for the supply, quantity supply, you will get 90. Kalau awak dapat contoh kat sini 90, dekat sini 30, maybe there is something wrong somewhere. So you need to get same figure for quantity supply and quantity demand. Alright. So next, after you have done the calculation part, you need to do some elaboration. So dekat sini berdasarkan pengiraan atas, harga keseimbangan ialah RM20 dan kuantiti keseimbangan adalah 90 unit. Okay, based from the above calculation, the equivalent of price is 20 ringgit and the equivalent of quantity is about 90 units. You need to write like that. If not, there will be a deduction of the marks. Alright? Okay, next. Okay, next we will see on the changes in demand and supply and the effect on the market equivalent. Okay, there are 8 situations, so we will see one by one. Okay, first is demand increase and supply is held constant. Okay, yang pertama, okay, the first thing first, you need to draw the graph. You need to plot the graph where you need to put the demand curve, supply curve, and you need to find the equivalent. Usually the initial equivalent will be achieved when there is a intersection between P0 and also Q0. Okay, then only you can achieve the E0. Okay. Okay. Now we will see the increase in the demand. So when there is an increase in demand, automatically the curve will be shift into the right. Okay. So this thing happen when? Okay. So here there is some example. Suppose there is an increased price of the coffee, therefore the quantity demanded for the tea will be increased. Kenapa macam ni pula awak tanya kan? So contoh dekat pasaran sekarang ni, kalau awak beli kan, harga teh dalam satu paket, tak silap saya, dalam RM4 lebih kot. Kalau awak beli kopi, tak kisahlah apa-apa jenama, mesti above RM10. Betul tak? So, automatically orang macam, tak apalah, ambil teh je. So, of course, there is a demand for the teh. So, mungkin apabila firma tengok ada banyak demand untuk teh, tapi firma naikkanlah harga sikit, tapi dia pun tak naikkan harga banyak, dia pun mungkin akan naikkan harga sebanyak 10 sen, 20 sen. So, tak efek banyak lah. Contoh, harga teh sekarang RM4.50. Kalau naik pun RM4.70. So, harga tu lebih, kalau jadi harga teh tu lebih murah daripada kopi ke lebih mahal daripada kopi? Of course lah lebih murah daripada kopi, sebab kopi 100 gram ke 1 kg berapa gram 500 gram pun dah lebih RM10 kan, kalau tak salah saya. Okay, so these are the thing will be caused there is a increase in demand. Okay, so this situation will be due to the increase of price, which is price naik from PO to P1. Macam teh tu lah kan, harga naik daripada RM4.50 ke RM4.70. So quantity pun akan meningkat. Sebab apa? Ramai orang nak beli. Okay, so there is a new equivalent where in E1. Okay, so apabila ada kuantiti baru dan harga baru, secara langsung terdapat juga keseimbangan pasaran yang baru, iaitu di E1. Okay, next. Demand decrease and supply is held constant. Okay, ini pula berlaku kejatuhan dalam demand. Okay, so awak tahu kan, okay, initially there is E0, E0, P0 and also Q0. Ini graf biasalah yang awak plot. Okay, but there is a okay, dekat sini, suppose there is a increase in price of car, therefore quantity demand for the petrol will become decrease. Okay, kenapa situasi ni berlaku? Okay, contoh harga harga kereta sekarang apa? Contoh Azia RM30 kan. So contoh mungkin next year tiba-tiba Azia become 50,000. Okay, orang rasa mahalnya, baik tak payah beli, baik beli kereta lain je. So mungkin demand for the kereta Azia become decrease. So apabila decrease, of course lah permintaan terhadap minyak petrol pun tak begitu banyak. Of course lah, kalau contoh dekat kampung tu ada 50 orang yang ada kereta, 20 orang je. So orang yang lagi 30 tu tak adalah tuang minyak kan, sebab mereka tak ada kereta. Yang tuang minyak adalah 20 orang saja. So that menyebabkan quantity demanded become zero.